Hello friends, in this video I will make a DIY lamp from these parts. Let's begin. First of all, I have to tell you the story of this lamp. I found in my attic a lot of these glass bricks, and I thought what project I can make with them, and got the idea to make a lamp like this from these parts. Now let's see. This one is the base wood, this one is the glass brick, it's aluminium frame. I did it myself. It's not very easy, but anyone can do it. Next step is to fix LED inside. I will try with 2 rows of LED on the inside in this position to avoid this peak from the middle. So I will put 2 rows of LED. My first version I will use this warm white LED, and if you want, and I will get messages, I will try RGB version with different colors and remote. Now let's begin with fixing the LEDs. I forgot to tell you, for start stop I will use a touch control, and I will use this frame for on off. I will fix the LED inside the frame. I managed to put this strip LED on the inside, and now I am ready for the first test. Let's make the first test. First of all, I will supply only one. Now let's put inside. It's more difficult with this LED. Now let's make the first test with only one strip. Will be something like this. I will make some pictures in complete dark, because now it's not complete dark. Now I will connect the second strip. With one strip we have 250 milliamps. So I believe 0.5 amps will be enough for 2 rows. I think that I will put some silicone here because this is moving and I want to fix this. Now let's make the first test with both rows. Now let's put the glass. So I like the first. Now let's move to the next step. I'm curious in the night how powerful will be this light. Now I have to find a solution to fix this metal plate to the wood board and connect the on-off touch control. Now I am ready for the next step. I made this simple circuit using this module from China, and I made this extension. Here you have the schematic. First of all, I put this capacitor on original board to decrease the sensitivity, and I interrupted the circuit that made a connection with the sensor on the other part of this small PCB. After that, I put this stabilizer from 12 volts and output 5 volts for this board. And I also use MOSFET N channel with logic level and a small resistor. Here is the schematic. You will have a picture with the schematic. Now let's make some tests. When I made a research for this board, I noticed that you can buy this original configuration with 12 volts input, but I didn't have time to wait until this reach here from China, and that's why I decided to DIY this module. So this is the ground, this is the plus, and here I touch on. You can see this is red. When it's red, it's on. Off. On. Off. This is working perfect. Now I have to find a place inside to put this module. It's working perfect. I made all the connection from inside part. These are the LEDs. This is the power supply for the LEDs. This is the touch wire will be connected to this aluminum foil, and underneath are power wires. I made 2 holes here and this here, and I will connect these screws to this hole. Now that's the final shape. These are the power wires and will be connected to this. Now let's make some tests to see how it's working. I am concerned about the sensitivity of the touch control. Now it's a problem with a delay, but it's working. On, it's working. It's very sensitive, you don't have to touch it. If you close enough, it's too sensitive. I believe that it's a problem with leakage current from the LED strips. They are attached to this frame, and there is a parasite capacitance, and that's why it turns off. And I will make a different approach. I will make a separate here in the front. I will put. So this it's not working. This touch on the frame, unfortunately. So I will make a different approach. If you have some idea how I can do to make work touch control on this frame, please put it in a comment. Now it seems it's working perfect. Now, after a lot of work, this project is ready. You can see the final shape. This is the DC connector. Underneath is the power cable. I just have to put 4 pieces in the corner to be stable. Now it's not very stable. And I have to put some silicone here to not enter the dust inside. So let's make some tests. Now without the light. So I am happy with the result of this project, and if you want, put in comments and I will make the color version when you can change the color of this with the remote. If you make it until here, please give a big like, and if you want to see other projects like this, you can subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you in my next video, bye.